These are cool gadgets and hacks you must see. This is a clock, it's really cool, and this is a wallet you can use for your bed. It's really cool. Let's see what's in this bathroom. We've got this one you can use for toothbrushes and toothpaste. Let's see what's in this fridge. This is an egg holder you can use for eggs in the fridge, and this is a frying pan you can use for making omelette. This is a small trash bin you can use in the kitchen. It's really helpful. And this is a mirror. It's really cool. This is a closet you can use for organizing your shoes. It's really amazing. This is a mat, and this is a box you can use for wipes. It's really cool. This is another apartment. We'll see the gadgets and hacks we've got in this beautiful apartment. She's gonna unbox these gadgets. This is a printer you can use at home. There's a small shelf you can use in the bathroom. It's really cool. This is another beautiful apartment. This lady is gonna unbox these new products. This is an electric tub you can use for your feet, and this is a small trash bin. It's really cool. And this is another box you can use for masks. This is a cooker. And this is another one. This is cleaner you can use for the corners. It's really helpful. This is another cleaner electric file you can use for your feet. We have this holder, and this is another tool you can use for removing air from these plastic bags. This is another box you can use for your makeup stuff. It's really amazing. This is a small fan you can use anywhere at home. You can use it in the kitchen. It's really convenient. And this is a dispenser you can use for liquid soap. This is box or holder you can use for wipes or other small items like remote controllers. You can also use it for your mobile phone. This is another tool. This is a scale you can use at home, and this is a tool you can use for killing insects. We've got this small washing machine again. It's really cool. And this is another mixing cup. This is a small trash bin you can use in the kitchen. It's really helpful. And this is another cleaner you can use for your mattress cover. We have these mats you can use in the kitchen, and we've got this one. They're really amazing. This is a box you can use for cutters and cutting boards. They're really cool. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.